MHC Kenworth has received this big group of the most aggressively priced and very versatile 2011 and 2012 Kenworth T660 72-inch sleepers. They have the roof cap fairing, which can be removed very easily to accommodate our customers in the flatbed and tanker vocations. They also have three-quarter fairing and step fairing options that can be painted any color of your choosing. Miles on the 2011s range from the low 300s to the 600s, and the 2012s range from the low 300s on the miles to the low 500s. Call for pricing. The special financing on these trucks are great with low upfront costs and very aggressive terms. They have a 4-bag air ride suspension, tires are trade terms, and caps that can be switched to Virgin Michelins at an additional fee. These T660s are equipped with a fuel-efficient 15-liter Cummins ISX engine, 10-speed transmission. They have 400 horsepower and can be upgraded to 450. The trucks are trade terms and DOT inspected. All qualify for a National Truck Protection warranty that has turbo and injector coverage. They have Splendor interior, dual air ride seats, power locks, power passenger windows, power heated mirrors, 15 gauges, one of which is the suspension load gauge, and the best visibility of its time. We have a special finance program on these 2011s with very aggressive rates. Payments can be as low as $1,629 per month with as little as $3,200 down. We also have special finance programs on the 2012s. Payments as low as $1,689 per month with as low as $3,378 down. Wow, that's low. With terms like this, trucks will be flying off the shelves. Payments include a 2-year, 200,000-mile National Truck Protection engine warranty with approved credit.